Well, I am so excited to be back to YouTube and to be bringing you another video. And this day I was jam-packed with lots of things to do, and I just wanted to take you guys with me before I get back into full-on content, so come with me. First task of the day is to find an airline ticket for me and my girls to get back from our girls' trip. I don't know why, but every time I type in Oregon, I keep getting Toledo, so that is the first step, and then we will get into coffee, and then we will kind of get this vlog going. Between you and me, this search took much longer than I anticipated it taking, so let me just tell you right now, my morning research was to no avail. I have to finish looking for airline tickets after my show. I have a show today. I will maybe show you a little bit backstage, but if not, then I will see you guys after the show. But first, let's get dressed, and I think I'm gonna put on probably workout clothes, so that way I'm already in workout clothes to go to the gym later today. So let's do that. This is not a typical to-do for me, but I needed to repack my show bag. Typically, if I'm in a show, I already have the bag packed and ready to go, but I had actually been out of the show the previous week because I was in New York for auditions, which is super exciting, super grateful for that, but it just meant that my bag wasn't ready to go for me like it typically is, because a lot of the same things I needed for the trip to New York, I needed for the show this day. All right, I am back from my show of the day. I was gonna have the night off, but I actually just picked up a quick 3-hour shift to host at the theater. I'm gonna do that tonight, but that means I don't have time to go to the gym before that shift starts. So I'm just gonna focus on getting things done around the house. Let's get started on that.
But there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you. Something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
If you've made it this far in the video and you're enjoying this little burst of cleaning motivation, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up down below. It really helps us support the channel.
If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say.
So remember earlier when I said I still need to look at that flight for a trip? I still need to find that flight. So I'm taking a girls trip with 2 of my friends, and we are going to Vegas and Oregon and a little bit of California. And so basically we are flying to Nevada, road tripping through the West Coast, and then flying back from Oregon. So I just need to find a flight from Oregon. And for whatever reason, I know there's a Toledo, Oregon and a Toledo, Ohio. It keeps giving me flights out of Toledo, Ohio, no matter how many times I type in Oregon. I don't even need to type in Toledo, Oregon. It still happens. I'm gonna get some coffee because I still have so much to do today and I need to book this flight. And then I'm gonna get to the laundry that is currently sitting on the bed, which I unloaded from the dryer earlier, and some that was sitting in my closet for a few days just waiting to be folded.
Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, Now I see clear as day, and I just wanted to say that you can take me high.
Alright, I got my frothed milk. Can I actually put the syrup? Excuse me? Okay, that's not frothed milk. The heck? You just spun for like minutes. Like, it's spinning. You see it spin? You're spinning. Why was I not frothed? Yeah, let's try cappuccino.
I can fly.
Alright, y'all, I got a slight froth to my milk. I feel like it can be frothier, but you know what? I'm gonna take what I can get. And the flight search continues.
That smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly.
This is probably one of my top 3 favorite spots in the house, and it is the patio, which is funny because it's not in the house, but Winnie loves being outside, Chance and I love being outside, and let me tell you, I've gotten pretty dang good at being a plant mom.
No one will ever take me away from you. I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what
They watered me plants. I am back home from work, which is the outfit change. Let's eat some dinner. I have some leftover scallop fried rice. I also have leftover tamales and rice and beans, but that's literally last night's dinner. And I don't want to eat the same thing like 2 nights in a row. I mean, I wouldn't mind, but if I don't have to, I won't. So I'm gonna eat this fried rice. Let's heat it up. I still have to fold the laundry that is sitting on the bed right now. But I also just kind of want to have a chill night. I low-key want to start taking more time to take care of myself. I always say that. I'm always like,
I'll have a self-care day. I will do the face masks and
here's the plan. I already know I won't probably do a full-blown self-care night because I just never do. What I probably will end up doing though is start an episode on Netflix or something while I eat dinner, and then when I finish dinner, then I will move my Netflix to the bedroom where the laundry is, or I can move the laundry to the living room because it's got the bigger TV. I'm also realizing you guys have not seen the new apartment yet, and I feel like I could totally do a tour. It's not completely clean right now. The other thing is we might very well be moving out of this apartment in 3 months. So we'll see. I don't really know what we're doing there. Our rent went up a lot. It went up like 33%, 34%, something crazy like that. So we don't know if we're gonna stay or what the next move is for this apartment, but stay tuned. I'm still racking my brain on that one. But I guess I'll just slowly, as I start doing videos again, show you more and more of the apartment. I really love this apartment. It's super cute, and of all my friends who have like been with me like from the get-go, they're always like, I love this apartment. This is my favorite apartment you've had, and it's honestly my favorite place that I've probably ever lived, which is also why I wanted to show you guys the sunset out there, because the sunset is just gorgeous. I think that's my favorite thing about this apartment. It could literally be half the size and I'd still be like, that sunset every single day. Like anytime I'm home and I don't work, I always try and make sure like I'm outside for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Sometimes it's more than an hour, just out there watching the sunset, or I like to read out there, but that is my favorite part of the apartment. All right, my food is ready. Let's go relax a little.
Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible?
So I'm pushing my ottoman into the couch because I caved. I said I'm taking this laundry out to the living room because I kept wanting to watch my show. I'm watching Working Moms, by the way, which I end up really liking. One thing I really like about this show is that it has so many seasons. I hate starting a show like I did with Emily in Paris and then it being over in a flash. I also love how short the episodes are, so I don't feel bad about picking up an episode here or there because it's only 30 minutes instead of an hour-long episode. So it just helps me feel a little bit better, and then also keeps my focus going on busier days like this. I can watch an episode, but then I can keep going because I don't feel like I'm stopping in the middle of an episode. Let me know if you guys agree in the comments below, if you're the same way with TV like I am.
Let me know, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind.
4:10. It's kind of late, but I have finished folding all the laundry and I want some ice cream. So, you know, I don't even think I like eating ice cream out of a bowl. It feels too big. I'm feeling a titch basic today, so I'm gonna do some cookie dough. But basic in like a good way, like back to the basics kind of thing. You know what? It's not basic. It's a classic. Oh, that's so odd that they don't. I feel like ice cream used to have like a little like plasticky thing in here. I do have an ice cream scoop. Just recently got it actually. I haven't had one for literally years that I've lived on my own. But I feel like for just one little ice cream thing, I don't feel like I should get another utensil dirty, you know? You know?
It's game on. Racing pulse, we get loud. Game on, stay strong. All I wanna do is sail into you.
Okay, that actually looks good. I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna finish this episode that I'm on. It has 10 minutes left. And I'm gonna get ready for bed, but I will see you guys in the next one.
Build some strength.